Since it may be difficult to get down into a low or small car initially after surgery, we suggest you go home in a small or standard SUV, minivan, or a full-size sedan if at all possible. You will want to avoid small sedans, two-seaters, or sports cars. This is especially important if you are taller than average. The person helping you should prepare the car ahead of time, have them move the passenger seat all the way back, and also recline the seat back as far as possible. To enter the car, stand and carefully turn around with the walker, then back up slowly with someone holding the car door steady so it does not bump into you. Move your operated leg forward, reach your right hand back, then sit down slowly onto the seat. Avoid plopping down as this may cause unnecessary pain. Next, scoot back onto the seat towards the middle of the car to give your legs more room, then pivot on your bottom to bring your legs into the car. If you cannot lift your operated leg up and over the threshold of the car, have someone assist you by lifting at your ankle, being careful not to twist the leg. Now, reposition in the car seat as needed for comfort. Taller patients may want to put a pillow on the seat to add height to the seat. Your hip precaution. When arriving at your destination, try to park the car where there is level ground when you exit the passenger side. To get out of the car, first recline the seat back again if you had raised it up for your ride home. This will give you more room and a place to push up from with your right hand. Next, start to angle yourself toward the door, slowly bringing one leg down first, then the second, assisting the operated leg as needed. Scoot forward to the edge of the seat and have your walker placed in front of you. Move your operated leg slightly in front of you, and with the left hand on the walker and the right hand on the seat back, push to stand up. Have the person helping you steady the car door until you have stepped clear of it. Do not try to pull up on the car door itself as it may move and cause you injury.